Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in the market for a brand new gaming rig, but you don't want to absolutely empty your bank account, you have clicked on the perfect video today. Let's be honest, building a PC from scratch can be incredibly stressful. You have to hunt down compatible parts, worry about bending CPU pins, figure out wire management, and pray that the whole thing actually turns on when you finally hit the power button. That is exactly why pre-built gaming computers have become so incredibly popular. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is actually worth your hard-earned money? Today, we're diving deep into a system that's been catching a lot of attention lately, the LXZ Gaming PC Desktop. Specifically, we're looking at the stunning white Minimalist Edition, packing an AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a lightning-fast 512 GB NVMe SSD. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, an aspiring content creator, or someone who just needs a lightning-fast home office computer, this machine claims to do it all. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, performance benchmarks, and my final verdict, I want to let you know that I've dropped a link in the description box below. If you want to check the current pricing, read some customer reviews, or pick up this exact LXZ gaming desktop for yourself on Amazon, make sure to use that link. It helps support the channel and ensures you're getting the exact model we're talking about today. Alright, let's talk about the design and aesthetics first, because let's face it, how your PC looks sitting on your desk matters just as much as how it performs. The LXZ gaming desktop comes in a beautiful, clean white chassis. If you're tired of those aggressive, bulky, alien-looking black cases from a decade ago, you're gonna love this. It features a modern, minimalist design that fits flawlessly into any modern gaming setup, bedroom, or even a professional home office. It doesn't scream nerd cave. Instead, it whispers premium performance. The white colorway is incredibly trendy right now in the PC building community, allowing any RGB lighting you add around your desk to really pop and reflect beautifully off the case. But a computer is more than just a pretty face. Let's pop the metaphorical hood and see what's powering this beast. At the heart of this LXZ desktop is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Now, if you know anything about CPUs, you know that AMD's Ryzen series absolutely revolutionized the market. The Ryzen 5 5500 is an absolute powerhouse for the price. With a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz and the ability to boost all the way up to 4.2 GHz, this processor is incredibly snappy. What does this mean for you in the real world? It means that when you're booting up Windows, opening heavy applications, or juggling multiple tasks at once, the PC won't break a sweat. It's a fantastic processor for everyday use. If you have 10 Google Chrome tabs open, a YouTube video playing on your second monitor, Spotify running in the background, and your game loading up, the Ryzen 5 5500 handles it all seamlessly. It's also brilliant for productivity tasks. If you're doing photo editing in Photoshop or Lightroom, this CPU provides the fast processing speeds you need to apply filters and render images without that frustrating lag. Now let's talk about the most important component for any gamer, the graphics card. This system is equipped with a dedicated Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB of VRAM. If you were looking for the sweet spot for 1080p gaming, this is it. The RTX 3050 is built on Nvidia's award-winning Ampere architecture. This means you're getting access to incredible features like ray tracing and DLSS. Ray tracing essentially simulates how light behaves in the real world, bringing incredibly realistic shadows, reflections, and lighting effects to your favorite games. Meanwhile, DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling, uses AI to boost your frame rates without sacrificing image quality. You're going to be able to play all the most popular competitive esports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Counter-Strike 2 at buttery smooth frame rates well over 100 FPS on high settings. Even for more demanding, visually intensive AAA single-player games, the RTX 3050 will comfortably push out 60 frames per second at 1080p resolution. It is a massive step up from integrated graphics or older generation cards. To support that processor and graphics card, LXZ has included 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory running at a fast 3200 MHz. Right now, 16 gigabytes is the golden standard for gaming and general use. Anything less than 16 gigabytes these days, and you will start to feel your system choking when you try to multitask. With 16 gigs, you can game, stream to Twitch or Discord, and have background apps running flawlessly. Plus, if you ever feel the need to upgrade in the future, the motherboard supports a maximum size of 64 gigabytes of RAM. This makes the PC incredibly future-proof. You aren't just buying a PC for today, you're buying a platform that can grow with you over the next few years. Storage is another area where this LXZ Prebuilt shines. It comes with a 512GB NVMe PCIe solid-state drive. If you are still using an old, clunky mechanical hard drive, the jump to an NVMe SSD is going to blow your mind. Windows will boot up in mere seconds. Your games will load incredibly fast, meaning you'll be the first one loaded into the lobby, while your friends are still staring at loading screens. 512 gigabytes is a solid starting point that gives you enough room for the Windows operating system, all your essential daily applications, and a handful of your favorite large games. And just like the RAM, storage is very easily upgradable down the line if you eventually build up a massive Steam library. Let's touch on connectivity and cooling, because these are the unsung heroes of any good desktop computer. You need to be able to plug in your gear, right? Well, this tower has you covered with a grand total of 8 USB ports. That's plenty of room for your mouse, keyboard, streaming microphone, webcam, headset, and external hard drives with ports to spare. For video output, it features DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI connections, allowing you to easily hook up a dual or even triple monitor setup to maximize your productivity or gaming immersion. Internet connection is also a breeze. You don't have to worry about running a massive, ugly Ethernet cable across your house because this system comes right out of the box with built-in Wi-Fi via an included Wi-Fi receiver. It's truly a plug-and-play experience. You take it out of the box, plug the Type-B power cord into the wall, connect your monitor, and you are immediately ready to start downloading your games. As for thermals, the system utilizes an efficient air cooling method. The combination of the case design and the internal fans ensures that cold air is pulled into the system, while hot air from the CPU and graphics card is exhausted out the back. Keeping your PC cool is vital for maintaining high performance, and this setup ensures your Ryzen 5 5500 won't overheat and throttle your frame rates during intense, hours-long gaming sessions. So, what is the final verdict? Who is the LXZ gaming PC actually for? If you look at the customer feedback, it sits at a very respectable 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and it's easy to see why. This PC is custom-tailored for the smart buyer who wants excellent 1080p gaming performance without paying a massive premium. It is perfect for teenagers getting their first serious gaming rig. It is ideal for college students who need a machine that can handle both heavy homework loads and late-night gaming sessions. And it is a fantastic choice for home office workers who want a fast, reliable PC that can double as an entertainment hub on the weekends. For the price point, you are getting an incredibly well-balanced machine. The Ryzen 5 5500 won't bottleneck the RTX 3050, the 16 gigabytes of fast RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the NVMe SSD guarantees a snappy, responsive user experience. Add in the fact that it comes in a gorgeous minimalist white tower with a pre-installed copy of Windows, and you have a total package that is incredibly hard to beat. You save time, you save stress, and you get a fantastic piece of technology delivered right to your front door. If you are ready to upgrade your gaming setup, or if you are looking for the perfect gift for the gamer in your life, I highly recommend checking this system out. Once again, you can find the direct Amazon link in the description below. Clicking that link is the easiest way to check today's price, as it does fluctuate with sales and discounts, and it's the best way to ensure you are looking at this exact configuration. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's review. If you found this video helpful, please do me a massive favor and smash that like button. It really helps the video reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future tech reviews, PC buying guides, and gaming setup tips. Drop a comment below and let me know, what is the first game you would play on this brand new LXZ gaming PC? I'll be hanging out in the comments section answering your questions. Until next time,
Happy gaming, and I will see you in the next video.